So, hello Sunshine. Alam mo ba kung ano yung SMART goals? So, kung mahilig kang mag-set ng goals at hindi mo alam paano siya abutin, this video is for you. So, SMART goal method stands for specific, measurable, attainable, or achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So, ito yung mga ginagamit ng iba paano mag-set ng right goal na hindi sila na-overwhelm at paano nila ma-achieve. First, be specific. Dapat klaro ka kung anong gusto mong goal na ma-achieve. For example, gusto mong maging mayaman at gusto mong kumita ng 100K this year. So, mas klaro, mas maganda, diba? Second one is measurable. This is how you track your goals. Kung gusto mong kumita ng 100K this year, magkano ba yung kailangan mong kitain every month para ma-reach mo yung goal mo? So,